Hi editors, today I will show you how to create money counter without any type of expression. But in that we can't see this comma, okay? Let's see how we can create money counter without expression. Right click in here, then after you can see here Krokodove and here is your formula and go to the modifiers and go to the text out and just you should write n1. When I write n1 automatically shows 0.00. In here you can see number in n1, okay? And I write here n1, just that. You can see when I hover in n1, you can see here n1. You can see here n1, okay? When I increase this, see here, automatically increasing here also. I will just turn off this. And if you need like firstly, then you can also change edit controls, then after slider and here 0 and here you can copy this and paste it here. That's it. Okay. Now you can see here. Here you can see number precision. Number precision means after dot you can see number precision like 2. Here is a 2. If I increase to 3, you can see 3. Here you can see numbers digits before. It means when I increase to 5, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 6 number. When I increase to 7, you can see here 7 and you can see here 0. But here we can't see in first 0. But I don't need this and I also don't need this. I just need this. And how we can add dollar in starting like here. We can just write here dollar and then after you should to just write T1, okay? When I hover here you can see here T1. We should to write this bottom one, okay? If I write like here different name Didi, you can see here Didi, but in here you can see T1. We should write T1, okay? T1, and that's it, man. I don't need this gap, and I also don't need this. When I increase number, you can see number. That's it, man. We don't need this type of expression, and you can also change color in your style. That's it, man. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.